Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best screen printing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Techtongda silk screen printing machines. The appealing quality about this silk screen printing machine is its screen frame that can be rotated independently throughout the 360 degrees. Every screen frame chuck is precisely configured using the manual micro-adjusting knobs. More importantly, all such tools would guarantee that the overprinting is made precise. To make the pallet more stable, there is the presence of the metal support beneath every pallet. Moving on at number 4, we have the ZENY Pro 6-in-1 Combo Screen Heat Press Machine. The 6-in-1 combo machine proves to be the well-built hat press and mug heat press machine. This machine unit offers multi-functionality for various purposes. In addition, different accessories in this press machine allow you to be used at once. There are no hassles to choose the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Furthermore, the incorporated structural support retains flatness. It can be instantly warm up without any troubles. That is to say, it provides uniform heating. This machine also arrives with a removable cradle. For this reason, it is suitable for using of the mug elements. At number 3, we have the Fancierstudio Industrial Quality Screen Printing Heat Press. The 15 by 15 inch digital heat press machine from Fancierstudio is quite simple to operate and presents professional results. Whenever you intend to prepare shirts for your friends or family, this digital heat press machine would create a lasting impression. Generally, it functions excellently in both domestic and commercial settings. Moreover, it can accomplish different sizes of jobs with excellent durability. Its simple-to-use design facilitates sturdy operations. In this industrial quality heat press machine, the temperature range is 0 to 500 F and the time range is 0 to 999 seconds. At number 2, we have the Techtongda 6 Color 6 Station Double Wheel Screen Printing Machine. The 6 Color 6 Stations double wheel-based screen printing machine is heavy-duty in nature. Generally, it is used for t-shirts and DIY uses. When you start using this double-wheel screen printing equipment, you would find complete simplicity and there are no troubles to assemble the parts. There is the use of sturdy steel material in the construction and the efficiency is also high. External factors like water and corrosion would not influence the working of this machine. And finally at number 1, we have the INTBUYING Screen Printing Machine. If you want to have your t-shirt printed with one color, this printing press machine will be your best selection, and it is very economical. Furthermore, you will be satisfied with the quality of the printing on your t-shirt. It provides a clear image effect on your t-shirt along with the accurate position where you want the pictures printed despite the fact that it can print only one color. In addition to this, it can be used on the pillowcase, bag, non-woven bags, and so on. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.